Hey guys, Professor Bob here. Welcome to week 6. Man, this is it, our last week together. I'm going to miss you guys. And on that note, congratulations for doing this amount of work in this little amount of time, okay? Good job. But let's go to week 6 right now. Guys, what I'm going to do in this announcement, I'm going to break down our final week, and then I'm going to talk about exam 2 coming next week, Monday and Tuesday. And I'll get to that here in a minute, okay? First, this week, assignment 9 and assignment 10 and discussion board 5. Assignment 9 is on the atmosphere. There's a lot of chapters in the book on the atmosphere. I chose chapter 11 to cover for you guys because it has to do with the heating of the atmosphere, which is related to climate change, which is the number one environmental topic in the world right now. If you've watched any news lately, it's kind of all over the place, and it's something that's got to be dealt with. So I want to give you some exposure to what's going on in our atmosphere and kind of why climate change is occurring. It's going to be kind of a crash course in that, okay? Assignment 10 is on the solar system. It's the astronomy part of the class. It's pretty, read chapter 15, do the assignment. It's pretty straightforward, okay? And then discussion board 5 this week is on course feedback. Some of you have already started it. I want to know what ways I can improve this course, okay? Every semester I do this, I get lots of good comments. Some I'm able to deal with, some I'm not. Just my hands are tied in some ways too, guys. But anyway, give me that feedback. I'm not going to count off. If you meet your deadlines and you meet your minimum word requirement, I'm going to give you a 20 out of a 20, even if you say, Bob looks really stupid on his videos, which I'm sure none of you would. But anyway, in other words, I'm not going to count off for giving me critical feedback, okay? I actually kind of want it. I want to know what you liked about the class too, so I can keep that going. But anyway, discussion board 5, do that. So that's this week. Next week is exam 2. You will notice at the very bottom of your modules under week 6, you will see exam 2 outline. I've worked really hard today breaking down. I figured if nonetheless a study guide for your test, which students often ask me for, I could at least break down the questions and where they're coming from. So take a look at it. It will help you study. And guys, you got to start studying this week for your exam. Remember, your exam are only over the last 2 weeks, okay? Assignments 7 and 8 on oceanography and 9 and 10 this week, okay? So take a look at the outline. It's designed to help you study, and it breaks down the content from where it comes in the book, which chapters, so on and so forth, okay? Now, the exam itself will open up Monday morning. It will end Tuesday at midnight, okay? Now, let me preface this. In the syllabus, I've went ahead and modified the course calendar and the syllabus. The web calendar that I had in your course information module had it ending Wednesday at midnight. Well, guys, the deal is the grades are due Thursday morning early. I've got to spend it, trust me, it takes me at least half a day to go through and make sure everything's correct and all the grades are right before I submit them, okay? So you will only have Monday and Tuesday to take the exam. So make sure you're working ahead, studying ahead. It's one less unit, one less week than you had in the first test, so that's good. But make sure you study up. Again, the exam will open up Monday morning and then Tuesday evening, not Wednesday evening, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be seeing you this week, I hope. Later.